Good morning. It's just after 7. We're heading up that way, somewhere in there, and then up to the top of some peak called Castle Dome. Should only take a couple hours or so to get up. The map says round trip around 3 hours, so we'll see if this trail is easier to follow than Las Tres Virgenes. We've got a beautiful morning. The moon is out again as the sun rises behind me. The camper is in a good little spot, and we're going to have a rough ride getting out of here. The door is getting stuck now. I can barely open it, so I think the whole frame is shifting and cracking and who knows what else with all I'm putting it through. But as long as I have a place to sleep and everything inside is still working, then it doesn't really matter. Anyways, I'm going to hit the trail. I'm already way off course. I was following this trail up into that valley, but I guess that's not the right way. At least getting back to this trail is wide open. Seems there's other paths around as opposed to having to bushwhack through thorns and cactus. Okay, looks like we're back on the correct path now. An oasis in the desert. I'm assuming that's the Castle Dome peak there, but every time I assume about a peak, I'm usually wrong. It's imposing for sure, as it looks pretty straight up and stark in the surrounding landscape. The steep climbing is upon me. This is definitely one where coming down is going to be very hard compared to going up. It's hard going up, but it's so steep. It's going to be really sketchy going down. Just about at the base of the dome. And I finally reached the sun, or the sun has reached me. Looks like I have to head into the crevasse of doom to get around to the peak. I did it! I'm at the top of Castle Dome. It took around 2 hours to get up. Probably a little bit less getting down. It's going to be slow going for the first bit, but the last bit will be quick. Alright, a little snack, and then we'll start the down. Time to head back down the sketchy, steep trail. This is actually more treacherous than that top part because there's nothing firm to stand on. And all this loose scree just slides away. Alright, through the worst of it. Now just navigate these thorn bush minefields. And then once I get to the bottom of this pitch, it'll just be in the river wash. And then it's a quick out. Careful where you step. Well, there's some thorns I'm never getting out. And I'm back. Alright, get myself changed. We'll turn this thing around and start that grueling drive back to the main road. This is the easy section where I can do about 20 kilometers an hour. Alright, made it off the crazy road. Now just got the dirt road for about 10k or so, and then we'll be back on the main road. Get back onto the pavement. Mountains of Arizona, and I've hit snow. So as I head north, obviously, I'll be getting into some more wintry weather. I could be into Colorado by tomorrow, possibly. We'll just see how the day goes. I'm about halfway up Arizona. First stop in Colorado will be Telluride. But otherwise, I'm just going to get myself organized for some dinner. And that's about it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.